I go to Sydney.
That is not quite right. The correct way, I'm going to Sydney. Today, Maya is at immigration before her flight and making 7 common English mistakes. Welcome back to Mr. Fix My English. Before Maya can board her flight, she has to pass immigration. The officer will ask her some simple questions. 7 mistakes. Let's fix every one of them right now. Good morning. Where are you traveling to today?
I go to Sydney.
Stop. Maya said, I go to Sydney. We're talking about right now, so we use am going. The correct way, I'm going to Sydney. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
I am going to Sydney.
Good. In real life, where are you traveling to today?
I am going to Sydney.
Lovely. And what is the purpose of your trip?
For holiday.
Stop. Maya said for holiday. This is too short. Give full simple answer. The natural way, I'm going on holiday. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
I am going on holiday.
Good. In real life, what is the purpose of your trip?
I am going on holiday.
Wonderful. How long will you be staying?
2 weeks only.
Stop. Maya said 2 weeks only. The word only is not needed and sounds unnatural here. The natural way, for 2 weeks. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
For 2 weeks.
Good. In real life, how long will you be staying?
For 2 weeks.
Great. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, alone.
Stop. Maya said, yes, alone. Give a full natural answer. The correct way, yes, I am traveling alone. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Good. In real life, are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Thank you. Will you be staying in Sydney?
In my friend house.
Stop. Maya said, in my friend house. 2 small things. We say at, not in, for a house. And we say my friend's house, with an S. The correct way, in my friend's house. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
At my friend's house.
Good. In real life, where will you be staying?
At my friend's house.
Perfect. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I have return.
Stop. Maya said, yes, I have return. 2 words are missing. The correct way, yes, I have a return ticket. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Yes, I have a return ticket.
Good. In real life, do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I have a return ticket.
Excellent. Everything looks good. Here is your passport. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you, Sir G.
Stop. Maya said, thank you, Sir G. Sir G is not natural English. Just say, thank you very much. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Thank you very much.
Good. In real life. Here is your passport. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you very much.
Perfect. All 7 mistakes fixed. Now, let us hear the whole conversation correctly. Say it with Maya as we go. Where are you traveling to today?
I am going to Sydney.
What is the purpose of your trip?
I am going on holiday.
How long will you be staying?
For 2 weeks.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Where will you be staying?
At my friend's house.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I have a return ticket.
Here is your passport. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you very much.
That is calm, clear, and confident. Now say this line with Maya. 5 seconds.
I am going on holiday.
Before the quiz, your homework. Go to the comments and answer this question in English. Where are you traveling to and why? For example, I am going to London on holiday. I read every comment and fix every mistake.
Go and write now. Then come back for the quiz.
Quiz time. I say wrong. You say correct before Maya answers. 5 seconds each. 7 questions. Ready? 1. I go to Sydney. Maya?
I am going to Sydney.
Correct. 1 point. 2. For holiday. Maya?
I am going on holiday.
Correct. Full answer. 1 point. 3. 2 weeks only. Maya?
For 2 weeks.
Correct. Drop the only. 1 point. 4. Yes alone. Maya?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Correct. Full natural answer. 1 point. 5. In my friend house. Maya?
At my friend's house.
Correct. At and friends with an S. 1 point. 6. Yes, I have returned. Maya?
Yes, I have a return ticket.
Correct. A return ticket. 1 point. 7. Thank you, Sir G. Maya?
Thank you very much.
Correct. Clean and natural. 1 point. Count your fingers now. 6 or 7. You will breeze through immigration. 4 or 5. Really good. Watch one more time this week. 2 or 3. Watch again from the beginning. 0 or 1. Come back tomorrow. You will surprise yourself. Now, I promised you a bonus phrase. You stayed until the end. Here it is. Your bonus phrase. Here is my passport and boarding pass. You say this the moment you reach the immigration desk. It is polite, confident, and shows you are ready. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Here is my passport and boarding pass.
Good. In real life. Good morning. May I see your documents?
Good morning. Here is my passport and boarding pass.
Thank you. That is a great start. If this video helped you, please subscribe. Next episode, Maya is looking for her gate. She gets lost, asks for help, and makes some very common mistakes.
I will find my gate easily. Where is my gate coming?
Where's my gate coming? We will fix that next time. Do not forget your comment below. Every mistake is just a lesson waiting to happen. See you next episode.
See you next time. Bye.